declutter in a while. So I thought of continuing this series because I wish to go through it throughout the year. So here we find my second drawer of foundations. Here we have the drugstore foundations that I kept. And over here I store my Makeup Revolution foundations as well as maybe some more high-end foundations. So I just remembered I have this one as well, so I'll just put it there. Okay, so this is basically a declutter makeup series where I'm going through all of my makeup drawers and we're going to be decluttering some makeup. I've already done primers and the first drawer of foundations, and now we have the second drawer of foundations. So let's begin. This is the first one that I grabbed. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am going to keep, of course, because number one, it's my summer shade. And number two, it's a very good foundation from Too Faced. It's basically a staple from their collection and I absolutely love their foundation. The next one is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I actually did a review on this and you know what? Video is just saved on my computer and I never actually released this, if I'm not mistaken. Absolutely loved this foundation last year. It was released last year. I do believe they have another one. However, I did not go for it because it's very similar to this one. This one I absolutely love. They used to have another Makeup Forever, which I used to have it. It was like the matte foundation, but this is kind of, this is a little bit glowy. I absolutely love this one and the packaging of it is really cute. So definitely I'm going to be keeping this one, of course. So from this side. So I'm starting with this side and then this has my Revolution foundation. This is the Zoeva foundation. And this I'm going to keep. It was more of a darker shade, I remember, so I will definitely keep it because it will come in very handy in summer. I only had good things. It's natural, luminous. We don't hear so much about Zoeva foundation, to be honest with you. Well, I don't at least. But when I saw this on the website, I believe I got it off Feel Unique, when they had like a sale or something, I was like, okay, I need to try this out. The bottle reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills packaging as well. So I am going to be obviously keeping this. This is the Anastasia Luminous foundation and honestly guys, I love this foundation. I used to wear it quite often last year, I believe. I haven't reached for it this year, to be honest with you guys, because obviously I've been using other new foundations. However, I want to dip into this one and like finish this because this was like, I didn't mind paying money on this because it was a really, really good foundation. I love the coverage of it. I love the longevity of it. And they have such a good shade range too. Absolutely love this. So obviously we'll keep that. So we have two NARS foundations and as you can see, I've used quite a bit of these actually. So I'm going to just shake them. So this is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation from NARS. I absolutely loved this foundation. I have no complaints whatsoever. It was really lightweight, but yet it covered so well. And then they came out with this one. This is the Light Reflecting Foundation. And I did a review on this, I remember last year. And honestly, this is even more lightweight than this one. This offers more coverage. This is more like a natural no makeup look, I would say. But honestly, like I can't see myself getting rid of these two because these are two good foundations. Wish I had more faces to put on because I'm just using the same foundation, which I will tell you soon which foundation I'm using. But anyways, okay, so those two obviously I'm keeping. Okay, from this drawer, I don't think I'm going to be getting rid of. There's one already I know that I am going to part ways with, but probably the rest are going to stay with me. So then we have this one, which I have to be honest guys, I've actually bought a new foundation from MAC. It's not yet over here because I want to do a review on it. It's a problem. Okay, so this is the Studio Fix foundation from MAC and it has SPF 15. This is a very good coverage, full coverage foundation. And if you love MAC, I would recommend this one. Safe to say that I'm going to be keeping this foundation. And then we have the Rare Beauty. I've been slowly dipping into the Rare Beauty brand in general. And I bought a primer for pores or something like that. And I cannot wait to try that out, but I also tried that out with this one. And again, this is a very good foundation for summer because the shade is a little bit darker as well, so that's perfect. I need to keep this because, yeah, And it's my only Rare Beauty foundation I have for now. Then I have the Huda Beauty foundation. So there's two because one of them is the matte one, I believe. 4 filter high coverage cream foundation. And just in case you're wondering, my color is in macaroon. So this is quite nearly empty, to be honest with you guys. I will be definitely finishing this up and keeping it. And then I have, it is the Luminous Matte Foundation. And I've used quite a bit of this in my opinion. Just use a little bit more. Like this drawer, need to really dip into. So then we have the KVD Locket Foundation. I liked this foundation. It is very, very, very full coverage. Like the packaging of this is really unique as well. Kind of, this is the foundation that I have from this brand as well. I just have one more, which to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm gonna keep or not, but I will definitely be keeping this one. I have the Tarte Face Tape, and I believe I used this twice. But this is relatively new to my collection, to be fair. I only bought this maybe, what, a month ago or so? So I will definitely be keeping this, and hopefully this year I will kind of delve into it. Okay, so this is the, I don't know why I have this. I don't know, I forgot about this actually. The Airbrush Flawless foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and I have to be honest with you guys, it's so embarrassing, but I forgot I had this and I use it quite a bit actually. It's safe to say that we're going to be keeping this foundation, and yeah, I think I have a makeup addiction, shopping addiction for sure. This summer I think this is the one I will use because it has SPF 50, which is amazing. So this is the Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Hydrating and Anti-Age Concealer Foundation, basically the foundation and concealer from IT Cosmetics. So I'll be keeping this because again, it's a good foundation for summer and it's perfect because it has SPF. Have you tried any of these foundations? If you did, comment down below. Maybe there's like a favorite foundation that you guys adored. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. So far, we're doing horribly in the declutter, but I am realizing that I really need to open this drawer. This one, I believe I'm going to keep because it costs me money. It was really, really good. Like the coverage of this was very, very good. This is the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. And the packaging of it is really cute as well. I'm just going to keep this because I really need to use this. Then I have this one, and to be honest, I absolutely love this one, and I will be using this again for summer because it's a very good lightweight, no makeup look, but I really like it. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. It offers medium coverage and up to 24 hours wear. Okay, not really 24 hours wear for me because I'm not going to use foundation for 24 hours. I remember this being a very good foundation, and I had done a review on this and I absolutely love this. I love the coverage of it. I love the longevity of it. I like how it sat on my skin. So yeah, we'll keep that one. Okay, so this one is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I honestly did not like this at all. It's very thick. The consistency is very thick. It didn't blend very well. The coverage, yes, it offered a very good coverage, but for me, I'm not looking for that type of coverage anymore. I'll get rid of this. I had gotten this on sale from Feel Unique, and so I'm like, I didn't waste so much money. But yeah, I'm not going to be keeping this one. So this is the first foundation that I decluttered from this drawer. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I actually really like this, and I would say that I'm really soon finished from using this foundation. So I will be keeping this for that reason, to finish it off. But I also really like this foundation. Oh my goodness. And this one is another one of these foundations which I actually really used up, as you can see. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. So I absolutely loved this foundation, how this foundation tested out. It was absolutely amazing. And I feel like that this kind of started the whole trend of the skin tints for me. This is definitely like a holy grail of mine for skin tints. I'm gonna keep this because obviously I want to finish it. I might actually repurchase this because I know that I really like this. Even though I've been trying new skin tints, which I actually like as well, But this is something that I always like going back to, kind of, you know. It's like the grandma of skin tints now. Okay, I have this one. This is another Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I have another one of this. One to Revolution. Well, to be fair, they're not all Revolution, so let me just show you the ones that are not Revolution. Okay, so this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. Now, this back in the day was a very good foundation. I still loved full coverage back in the day, so I absolutely love this. And this was, I believe, like the first like higher endish, not non-drugstore foundation that I ever purchased. I absolutely love this. But like this product, there's still a bit left, but I think it's time for me to part ways with it because it's like old now. So it's good. It was a very good foundation. However, this needs to go to the bin now. So this is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. Now, this I feel like was not the best for me. Like I didn't like how it stayed on my face. Overall, I preferred this one. However, these days I would prefer this one if I had to look at Urban Decay. So I'm going to be getting rid of this one because it doesn't do it for me. I love the packaging. The packaging is a very stunning bottle. However, yeah, we need to say bye-bye to that one. Okay, so now what I have left is Revolution foundations. Basically, once I was sent PR and they had sent me these foundations, and so that's why I have so many of them. Just saying. Okay, so we have the Conceal and Define, the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is a lighter shade than the one I use. So no, to be honest, I'm gonna see if like I can find somebody who wishes for this foundation because it's an f3.5 and I'm an f4, so I don't want it to be lighter. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and this one's like new. Keep these two. And my Conceal and Define is actually a new bottle, so it's not old. So I will be keeping this one. Now, to be honest with you guys, I have to be honest. Like since they released the Conceal and Define, I have, you know, found other foundations from them which I prefer because they are more lightweight. They are full coverage still, or they're good coverage, but not like as full as this one. And I don't look for like foundation looks with full coverage, but I will keep this. Conceal and Hydrate, and this is the one I have. So I'm going to keep this one. To be honest with you guys, out of the Conceal and Define and the Glow that I'm going to show you soon, like this is the one I actually like the most. I have 3 of these Glow foundations because again I was sent PR. This is F3, so I'm not going to keep that. I don't know why I kept it. Keep these because yeah, I want to keep them still. Because also like it was the only Makeup Revolution package that I ever received from them for PR. So I think it's just good also to have a keepsake, you know. This is the IRL Filter Longwear Foundation, which they released last year, and I absolutely love this. Breathable, it's soft, and it's matte. However, this year they released the Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation, and guys, I've been using this every single day, especially like for work. It's perfect. It offers a natural, no makeup look. And I don't believe it has SPF, to be honest with you, which is something that I don't know, I thought they would include it, but it's fine because I really like it. It's buildable as well, it's breathable, and I also did a review on this, so if you want to check it out, check out the channel. This obviously I'm going to keep. Then we have these two. Now these two are really old, but I really like them. These were from the brand XX Revolution. I believe this is like a matte foundation from XX Revolution because they have different brands, you know. Now Marelli, what happened to this? Alright. Wait, this doesn't open like that, Emma. Alright. Lalo. It's like glued, it glued itself to the lid. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so this is going to go because this doesn't even come down from the product, which is a pity. Because I used to like this, but to be honest, actually, if we had to really look into depth into this one. So this was very matte coverage. So it's a sign like I should get rid of this. But this one I really liked. I hope this is okay. Alright, is this fine? Yeah, this is fine though. Let's see. I did so much. Yeah, this is okay. I put on a cardigan because I'm feeling cold. This I will keep because it smells okay, and I actually used to like this one. I prefer this one, to be fair, over this one. I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 foundations, which, to be fair, when I thought I was going to get rid of anything, for me, this is a very good number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean and we'll organize this, and here is a bit of a montage for you guys. So that is my drawer all organized, and I really like how it actually came. I feel like, you know, this is not bad, right? This is not bad. I know I have these, but I feel like I need to dip into this drawer a little bit more because I feel like I've been neglecting it. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Especially if you want to see me going on with my decluttering journey. So the next drawer that we will tackle would be concealers, of course. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!